In the legal profession, many of our colleagues are well traveled, highly educated at the best schools and private universities. They're wealthy, they're well dressed, they're well spoken, and they also have loads of more experience than you do, even if it's just anecdotally or through family and friends that have been through the rigmarole before. And instead, here we are showing up having no context and no support. It's hard not to feel like it's just never going to work and you're never going to be one of them. When you spend your days thinking about your colleagues in that way and admiring their accomplishments, eventually all of those observations of others will turn inward to a self judgment and self discomfort, and it will outwardly manifest as jealousy if left unchecked.